I don't like my cheek because it makes me look fat. Number three is that my nose because dili siya taos guys. Ay, yes, the are the picture. I don't like it here. If I have a lot of money lang jud, I'm going to have a rhinoplasty para you know magpataas na nito. Ipa-fix na to ako ang ilong. Next, number four is my forehead. Of course, my forehead is dako. Bakit siya guys? That's why nagbangs-bangs ko para din niya mailahan. So, more to siya and that's all. Bye. Dako siya din. Gunahan na